Hi, I'm Layla Bayaz, and I am a student at the Colorado Technical University Institute for Advanced Studies. I'm here to talk about the Zachman framework, and in particular, the shape of Zachman. Zachman is a well-known and frequently practiced framework for developing enterprise architecture. And enterprise architecture helps define the IT technologies that will support the business strategies for an enterprise. The architecture is generally depicted in two dimensions, with the top dimension being the abstraction level and the side dimension being the different perspectives or viewpoints at different levels. Across the top, the abstraction level has who, what, when, where, why, and how. It has no direction as far as which of these we would pursue first in terms of defining it. However, on the left axis, the matrix has different perspectives, and those perspectives include the scope or the planner's view, and that's the highest contextual level. And below that, it would have the enterprise model or the owner view, and that would be at a conceptual level. The system model is the designer's view at a logical level. And then the technology constrained models are the next further deep ones, and they're the builder or the physical level. The deepest ones are the detailed representations, and that's to support the subcontractor perspective. And we can consider these out of context because it doesn't matter if they're tied to the context. The net result of all this is a functioning enterprise. So across the top we have 6 dimensions, across the side we have 6 dimensions, and that forms the basic matrix. But I want to talk about the shape of Zachman a little bit differently. I want to talk about some similarities I see with the system engineering V model. So the V model shaped like a V, and on the top, on the left side, you have the business requirements. Parallel to that, on the top of the right side, you have your validation or your pilot of how you validate and verify that those system requirements have been satisfied. As you move down the left side of the V, you have system requirements, detailed specifications, unit level specifications, and you get deeper and deeper as you go down the left side. Coming back up the right, you might have unit level testing, integrated functional testing, verifying that all of the specifications and system requirements have been met until you achieve complete satisfaction of all of the business requirements. Now, the Zachman model could look a little like a cylinder if you wrapped the abstraction levels along one dimension along the top. If you wrapped the different abstractions, the who, what, when, where, why, and how, and then down the side put your planner, owner, designer, builder, and subcontractor views, you could get like a little cylinder. But I think that when you think about what you're actually getting from each of the different levels, that for Zachman it's going to really look more like a cone, in that you could make the ring of abstractions fairly narrow, and then think about the volume of artifacts and detail that you're going to see as you go down the scope. And this points in the direction you want to go as an enterprise. So that's what I call The Shape of Zachman. Thank you.